Hey everyone, it's Chris from SureDone again, and I'm here today to talk about a few different things. First, we're going to talk about how to connect programs live to SureDone. We're going to talk about our onboarding process, and if you buy an onboarding package, what you can expect. And we're going to talk a little bit about our support. So why don't we start talking about how you can connect things to SureDone live. So we showed you our bulk system where you can upload files back and forth and bring them into our platform. We showed you our automation platform, which runs every 5 minutes, runs every 10 minutes, runs every hour, runs every day, but runs on a time basis, so you have to wait for information to show up. What if you want to pull information out of SureDone Live or push information into SureDone Live, whether it's orders, whether it's products, you want to connect to a ERP system, you want to connect to a point of sale system, business analytics, whatever it happens to be, to use your internal processes, your internal systems that you have today, but let them connect out to the different marketplaces and channels to share products and share orders. Well, the great thing is we have a fully open API, very comprehensive API. As a matter of fact, our entire user interface that you have seen throughout this entire system, throughout this entire process, is built on top of our API. So every call that comes from our user interface actually funnels through our API. So anything you can do in our user interface can be done via our API. If you actually go onto our homepage and then go up to the support section, you'll see a number of things. You'll see API documentation, API v3 documentation. We actually have two different APIs right now. Our API, our original API, and this is what I'm showing to you right now. And you'll see along the left-hand side here a bunch of reference information. And as I scroll down here, you'll see the different things that you can do. So, for example, here's items. And if I want to search by keyword, I can go and click on search by keyword. And over here on the right-hand side, it's going to show you exactly the query that you need to make. That's a get, what parameters you can send to it, what a request looks like, what the responses are, and what an example response might be from a command that you send to our API. Same thing for our version 3 API, which is our next generation API. Certain things like our order system, for example, and if I go ahead and click on order requests here on the left-hand side, you'll see that we can create orders and get orders and things. So I'm going to click on get orders, and you'll see that, once again, we have a very similar approach, which is we have a description of what you can send to it. And over here on the right-hand side, here's the query information. Here's responses you can expect and the body that you can expect to come back. You can switch over to our console, and you can actually try to send the commands yourself using your own API keys. So our API will enable you to connect to systems live for orders, for tracking information, for product information, pretty much anything, once again, you can do via your user interface, including uploading bulk and downloading bulk files, can be done via our API.